Do you have any idea why it's important to know the different terminal types? Do you have problems finding the right crimp head? Then you're in the right spot. I'll show you all about it in the next few seconds. Terminals come in many shapes and sizes. To simplify, we put them into three categories: open barrel sealed, and solid pin. These may look similar, but there is enough of a difference that one tool will not work for all. But don't worry, once you understand the three basic types of contacts, you have an optimal base for crimping. And why each type does need a correct tool to crimp properly, you will understand this after this video. Let's take a look at the contact types together. The open barrel has 2 points in the crimping zone, which should make a permanent connection with the stripped cable. The inner wings will connect directly to the exposed cable strands, and the outer wings will capture the insulation of the cable. The open barrel sealed version is very similar in design to the open barrel. However, there's an additional seal that must be integrated into the permanent connection. The open barrel sealed version can be recognized by the fact that the outer wings are wider. The seal additionally protects the crimp connection from environmental impacts. It must be placed correctly on the cable so that the outer wings connect permanently with the seal. The solid pin will be permanently formed at one point only. You are only crimping around the wire and not the insulation. A wide range of terminals can be processed with our tools. But how do I choose the right one? Matching the crimp head to the terminal type is the first step. There are each 2 heads for open barrel sealed, and 1 for solid pin. You have probably seen this before, a mismatch between the trim tool and the terminal. But all is not lost. We can fix this problem. There are 2 ways to do this. First option, I have to find out visually which terminal I need to process. What do you think? Which terminal could this be? Yes, exactly. It's an open barrel terminal. Now we can take a look into the chart and search the matching terminal. We see that there are 2 options of tool heads for this type available. The only difference is the wire size. Compare each of the terminal images. So did you find what you were looking for? And finally, we come to the second option. If you're lucky and know the terminal part number, you can easily find it on the crimp matrix in the open barrel section. Either option will help you choose the right tool with confidence. It's actually quite easy, isn't it? I hope the crimp matrix helped you find the right tool quickly. Now you can be focused on doing your repair. Questions, concerns, or feedback? Please contact us. We're happy to help. The link below will take you to the matrix.